then bath.
Yeah.
$1.
We've come here for some lunch. I'm really excited. It's going to be so nice. It's so nice in here, and they do gluten-free bread, which is nice. I don't always eat gluten-free, but I try my best because I'm a bit intolerant, and I probably shouldn't eat it ever. But
you will be in Disney.
I'm going to eat all of the gluten in Disney because cupcakes are. But they reconstructed it. Oh look.
What?
The baby swan. It's a mission. It's a mission. So the bridge, just there, in Les Mis, that is where Javert jumps off.
There is nowhere I can turn. There is no way to go.
So they obviously took off the buildings there and they made it look a lot taller as well. And actually, fact, that bridge there is one of the only bridges, I think there's 5, maybe 7 in the world that has actual buildings on the bridge. So that's pretty cool, right?
True story.
True story. So this is the Bathway. Isn't it pretty? we're going to see the fireworks.
Yeah.
We come to this one most years, don't we? Not every year.
It's a bit earlier than normal, won't we?
Yeah, we normally get here late, but we've got here early. The barbecue, the bonfire looks really big.
The barbecue's on the side.
There is a barbecue, but the bonfire looks really big, so I don't know how busy it'll be or if we can chat while we're there.
No, a bit noisy.
But we'll get some shots and we'll show you around.
Yeah.
I'm excited. That won't wait so long.
It's on right there, you can see what it's on.
Yeah.
At least he's pretty good. On the fire. Is he? Yeah. That's one bit, I suppose. At least he does that. Yeah. Why didn't she move it? Stay where you are.
They don't even care about the fireworks. Hey, so it's Sunday afternoon. We didn't really do anything. Well, John got called into the fire station. He's so dramatic. So there's been like an incident. I don't know. He ended up at the hospital anyway, and I think he's on his way back. So I'm sure he can tell you more about it. But I think he's okay. So don't worry if you were worried. But I've just been food shopping. Very exciting. Sunday is my food shop day. I don't know if anybody else has a day that they food shop, but Sunday is mine. And they've opened a huge B&M near us now, so I've spent about 9 hours in there, so that's been good. But not really done anything else. Look, he's home.
Hey guys.
So do you want to tell everybody what happened?
I can't say too much really, but there's been something happened at station. And me and another bloke ended up in hospital. We had a few checks done. Been there all day.
I mean, hospitals take ages, don't they?
Yeah, but no, we had a lot of checks done, everything you can think of, and then we got sent home. So hopefully we're all okay now, and we can have a Sunday, what left of it now.
Yeah.
Well, only meant to be at station for a couple of hours.
Yeah.
But it's in all day, but that's what it is, it's all sorted.
There's always something on a weekend, always something. And you got away with a cheeky McDonald's.
You will, yeah. Yeah, you gotta have a McDonald's going past one.
Get your stick, it's over there. Louis. Louis, get the stick.
What's too big of it? Hey, too big. Come on.
we've decided this Christmas, we think that we're gonna eat out.
Yeah.
In like a pub or we haven't decided yet, have we?
No, we're on a bit of a mission to find something.
Yeah. So we've just stopped at one pub kind of place, and then we're gonna stop at like a. Is it another pub?
Oh, it's a hotel, I think.
Yeah, like a hotel-y pub.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna check those out. But we haven't done it. Well, we've done it once before, but with a lot of family.
We've done it with my family, but yeah. So we thought we'd do it on our own this time and see what it's like. But we did a few phone calls and everyone was sold out. So I think we might be lucky to find a place actually. So
yeah. So we're just gonna check it out and see how we go.
Yeah.
So I'm going to insert the clips of the Bathampton Mill somewhere, but we have both made a decision on that one, and we didn't even consider it before, so we just thought that it would be like, it's so local to us and we've never even considered it, and it's so stupid because it's such a nice like pub. We've never even eaten there, and it's like a pub slash hotel thing, and they do like boat trips into the city and it's so nice. So yeah, we're really happy with our decision, and they obviously sell cocktails, which is a bonus. Not that I think I'm going to be driving on Christmas Day, so I can't have one, but maybe they'll do mocktails and that'll be good enough, which is probably what I need because I've only had one cocktail and I'm already feeling it. I'm such a lightweight and I hardly ever drink, so you know, that's what it is. But yeah, but it was very yummy anyway. So have we decided on a place?
Have.
Is this it?
Yeah, it is.
It's so nice.
It's lovely.
No, I am. Oh my god, I didn't know.
Hey?
Yeah, you can't really see it. The restaurant is just around there. I don't know if you can hear me. The restaurant's just around there, and they've just ordered a cocktail. Look at it.
I'm driving some more coffee.
Yeah. For you. But look how nice that looks.
Should be quite nice for Christmas Day, hopefully.
Yeah,
Nice.
so
Yeah.
we just paid for it.
Yeah. Nice and easy. Yeah. So yeah, we'll be here Christmas Day.
Look how comfortable you look.
Hey.
Look how comfy you look. Do I look that comfy?
Yeah. Sit for you. Yes.
It's a raspberry mule. I haven't tried one of them before, but I really like it. Yeah. I just want to. But it's slipping. You alright? It's silly. Yeah. Oh look! That's cute. Right, and there's the. You guys can't see it, but it's the stream. And then you can go the other side of the garden. If you go all the way down there, look, there's a gate.
Oh yeah.
Can you see where it goes? That's why we're having Christmas Day. Whoa! I don't want to go on that. Look! I was getting so.
Oh, I gave boats from there, that's why.
Oh, cool. So, it's the Bathampton Mill, and it's near Bath, and if any of you are ever around, from here, you can get a boat into Bath, have a look around for the day, come back here, have some lovely food. Yeah. Yeah, we hope it's lovely, because that's why we'll keep you updated. But it's so pretty, look how nice it is. I think it's just what we were looking for, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
we've just finished filming. John's just setup's being taken down.
Yes.
And we're all done for this weekend, I think. Right?
Unfortunately so, Sunday night again.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
It's mad. I still don't understand what happened this weekend. It's not been too bad this weekend though. It's felt a little longer, but we did get an extra hour, so.
I mean, it maybe for you, but today's been a quite hectic day for me.
That's because you went and got yourself in hospital.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's it. So we're about to, well, I'm going to have a bath. We've got to walk the dog before bed.
Yep.
And then we'll probably...
That's awful. Got famed.
Should we name him?
Yeah, Fred.
Fred. We'll keep you updated on Fred. Yeah, I'm gonna have a bath and we'll probably watch some Eleanor Dreaming.
Yeah, what we normally do on our Sunday evening.
We watch their vlogs on a Sunday. It's tradition.
Yeah, so, but bit of quite hectic day really. So yeah, we haven't done much since we've been home. Had a bit of tea and done a bit of filming, as you see, and that's a bit really.
Yeah, but thanks for sharing our weekend with us, or what of it we shared with you.
Yeah, not been too much this week, we're sorry about that.
No, and we'll see you on the next video.
Yeah, take care guys, see you soon.
Bye.